Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the world of innovative products. Today, we're talking about what might just be the best bagel holder container on the market. Whether you're a bagel enthusiast or just someone who loves their breakfast fresh and crispy, this product promises to deliver. Let's unpack why this could be your next kitchen essential. First off, let's talk about design. This bagel holder is crafted with high-quality materials that not only preserve the freshness of your bagels but also keep them perfectly crispy. The airtight seal ensures that every bite tastes just as good as the first. Now, let me show you how easy it is to use. Simply place your bagels inside, seal it up, and you're done. It's microwave safe and dishwasher friendly, making cleanup a breeze. Plus, it's designed to fit neatly into any kitchen cabinet or drawer, saving you precious counter space. When it comes to durability, this product stands out. Unlike flimsy containers that crack over time, this one is built to last. The sturdy construction means you can enjoy your favorite bagels day after day without worrying about wear and tear. What I love most is its versatility. It's not just for bagels. You can use it to store muffins, pastries, or even small sandwiches. It's a multi-purpose storage solution that adapts to your needs. So, if you're looking to upgrade your kitchen storage with a bagel holder that ticks all the boxes, freshness, durability, and versatility, look no further. I've included a link in the description below where you can find more information and pick one up for yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.